Hello folks, this is Jamil Sir for Gunstock Reviews. We're here at C2 Tactical in Scottsdale, Arizona, our favorite indoor facility. And today we're going to talk about the Keltec SUB2000. Okay, we have talked about this before, and this is my old SUB2000 that I've owned for years. This is the first generation of the second generation. If that made sense, yes, it is one of the first second generations to come out. The upgrades I did to it, I put an old TACCOM steel compensator. I put the Midwest Industries swiveling scope mount for the red dot. So basically what I did from the previous time, Midwest Industries has you put the scope mount back here, and then you have to lock back your bolt and hold it with a string. Now, I was told by one of the guys in one of the forums, move it forward and then let your bolt down and you don't have a problem. So look, I'm going to swivel my True Glow on the mount and I'm good to go. So a lot of people did not like this setup. I have also the tandem cross rubber cover for the tube. A lot of people didn't like this because, yeah, it looks goofy with that thing so high. Yeah, it has some issues with, you know, folding like so and putting a red dot on and da 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 da. So a lot of people complain. So what is Keltec gonna do? Are they gonna ignore you? No, they're gonna come up with a Gen 3, which is here. The Gen 3 is totally cool. This one here is for the Glock 17, okay? Mind you, this is gonna come into play here in a second. This is the new Gen 3. How do you take it apart? How do you set it up? You squeeze the button here on the back of the sight, pull your magazine. It has a latch that engages the M-locks on the front of the handguard. You open it, and before you open it, you twist your handguard. So now your red dot is on top. When you put it away, you can open it, you can go right or you can go left, and then close it, and then engage the M-lock again. It is pretty darn cool. What does it have and what doesn't it have? You can actually have a red dot on top of it right now. This one is very comfortable for me this is an old TRS-26 from Bushnell. Still available, really good red dot. I have it mid-length on the handguard so I can see my peripheral. It is threaded for 1/2x28, so you can put your favorite muzzle attachment, suppressor, whatever you want to put into it. Difference is, this carbine is set up for Glock 19, but that means that you can have a Glock 19 magazine, comes with this Glock 19 mag from Magpul, but you can put a Glock 17 mag, just sticks out a little bit, and it's more versatile, because you can actually put if you want to put your pinky here, you can put your pinky in this notch here, where the magazine underneath the grip, and have a really good sight picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this thing on. We sighted it in at 25 yards. Actually, no, we sighted it in at 50 yards because we were shooting for an article and we shot it at 50 yards. So I might be a little off in my elevation, but my windage is dead nuts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close it again, and I'm going to start from close position, open it, and engage my target there. As you can see, my target back there has 3 zombies attacking the waitress at my diner. This is not good. So the poor lady was ready to start making hamburgers and pancakes, and zombies came after her. So what do I need to do? I need to help her. You know, she's a lady in distress. So why don't we go ahead and get ready? And first of all, I got my eyes, I got my ears, and I'm ready to roll. So I'm going to start, these are Glock 17 mags. I'm going to open it. And I'm going to charge it and start engaging targets. Oops, I ran it. One thing, it doesn't hold open. I should have counted, but I can't count because they're evil zombies. Oh, ran out again. Oh no, they bit her. She's gonna turn into a zombie. Now she's dead. So now she's been neutralized. I'm shooting a little low in a couple of my shots because again, I said I had this set up for 50 yards. So again, I'm done engaging my targets. Chamber empty. I think the cool thing is you can have a loaded magazine in here, and you know, once you open it, it's out of battery, but I was out. So check it out. What can I do to customize this carbine a little more? I'm gonna ask Tandem Cross and see if they make a rubber cover for the setup the way it is right now. I think it'd be kind of cool if Tandem Cross does something for it. Muzzle attachment. One of these days I might do a rumble only video with some hush-hush attachments for the front of this carbine, and I have some subsonic ammo at home to shoot. But you notice, performed perfectly well. I like the fact that it's a Glock 19 grip instead of 17, because 17 is a little longer, but limits you to 17 magazines or the longer 33 rounders, or maybe 22, I think it is. Magpul makes one. But this one here, having a shorter grip, you can do a Glock 19, which is this one here, or a Glock 17 without a problem. And it works perfectly well. Guys, check it out. I think the 3rd gen, and by the way, the 3rd gen carbines are priced really, 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 really well. So you're going to be able to get them for about the same price as you were getting the Gen 2s. So is it better than the Gen 2? I would say, yeah, has a lot of improvements over the Gen 2. Is the Gen 2 obsolete? Absolutely not. You have one of these. It's a great carbine, but this one is a whole lot cooler. Would I do some changes on it? Yes, I'm going to have some new things happening here pretty soon for it. I might try different dots on it or any sighting attachments. I might try something shorter, but let's keep the conversation going. If you have any suggestions or something I should add to it, put it in the comments below. And like always, guys, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. And please remain healthy, stay safe, and definitely have fun at the range.
Thank you for watching Gunstock Reviews. Please visit our website at www.gunstockreviews.com for more exclusive content. Please visit our Patreon page at www.patreon.com/gunstockreviews. Your contributions would be greatly appreciated and help us grow our selections and frequency of videos.